Let's perform a quick test of the fingerprint sensor. We're gonna see how fast it is. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try with always on display. So over here we have our sensor, and this is the speed of the fingerprint sensor. So I need to hold my finger for half a second or so, maybe even less, in order to unlock the device with my finger. Let's go now to the lock screen and let's see if it's any faster. And I would say it is a little bit faster. Yeah, definitely. So the sensor, while being in the lock screen, is actually a bit faster. I believe it is, compared to always on display. Now let's see without AOD and without lock screen. So the screen is completely off, and let's use the finger in order to unlock the device. Oh, I actually missed the sensor. Let's try one more time. So I feel now I need to hold pretty much the same amount of time as in AOD in order to unlock the device. So half a second or so. Yeah, I believe like half a second is required to hold the finger on the screen in order to unlock the device if the screen is off, or if it's in always on display. And if it's in the lock screen, it's a bit faster. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!